Welcome. If you want to create a new playlist in your Amazon Echo Studio, take a look. We can say, Alexa, could you please create a new playlist?
Sure. What's the new playlist name?
Favorites.
Creating your new playlist. Favorites.
Okay, so right now we are able to open our Amazon Music. And when we simply move for the library, we will find our new playlist. It's right here. So we can open it just like that. We can also go right here for the playlist and pick it from this place. And as you can see, we didn't add here any songs. So we can tap right here. We can click to add more songs. There's no songs in my favorites, so I can go for explore, and here I would like to pick, for example, this one. So we have to tap, pick the exact song, and then add it to your playlist. In my case, it's unavailable because I don't pay for the premium account, so I cannot create any. I can create the playlist, but I cannot add their songs. But yeah, that's how you can make it, and that's how you can make it step by step. Also, when you play music by the Amazon Music, you can say to Alexa, add this song to my playlist, and then just give it the name of the playlist. So in my case, it will be the favorites. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.